In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a transparent sticky header in Elementor. So in order to make a transparent sticky header, we first need to head over and then create our own website. You can do so by integrating Elementor to WordPress. So head over to wordpress.com, click on this login if you already have an account, but if you do not have one yet, click on this Get Started option that you can see right here in order to get started. Now you can actually install that Elementor plugin if you have the business plan available. So make sure to get this plan right here. Now once you're done with that, you should be able to create your own site. So here is my site right here. So you can just click on your header, and once you have clicked, for example, on your header, you can see in here the advanced option, so make sure to click on that. So scroll down. In here you can see its positions and the likes. Under this is the motion effects. So onto that motion effects option, what you can do is you can actually just change it into a sticky. As you can see, it's none right now. You need to make sure that you have Elementor Pro in order to get this, and make sure to get the sticky option into this part. Now into this layout, you can just head over and then go to the margin option, change the bottom to a negative value, and the z-index to a number higher than the rest of the website content, for example, 1,000. Now, once you have done that, it should be able to have sticky as a top option. Once the sticky is on under this particular motion effects, you can choose desktop, tablet, portrait, and mobile portrait to make this part or sticky part available on all of the point breaks that you have right here. Now you can head over to your style next and then just go to the background option and then go to the normal option in order to get its content right here, and then change the background to normal once you're there. So that's how you make a transparent sticky header in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.